Today, the Lord emphasizes on hearing. And our theme today is Interior Light of Hope. We will look into the interior of St. Ignatius on his journey to understanding God's plan for him. Yesterday we saw how God's plan began to act in his life when the cannonball struck him down, and from then on his whole orientation shifted. Directional flashes of hope. So he had one direction, now he changes the direction. Who does that? God is doing it to him. And how does it happen? Yesterday we saw how he read 2 books which made him see what God is actually telling him. One is the life of Christ and the other is the life of saints. And he said, if they could do it, why not me? First he was thinking of doing for himself. Now they are doing for God, so I will also do for God. So you see, his direction changes. But as his direction changes, there are interior things that happen. Now something like this happens to all of us. But let us see how it happens to him. So we saw, let's take this part, listening and hearing, and what happened to the people of Israel. Just a little flash on that. He heard them and he brought them out from slavery. Now they are mumbling and grumbling, saying, what are we doing here? It was better there. Why God brought us here to die in this wilderness? But God is taking care of them. What happens is we get negative. And this negative is coming from the evil one. So what happens? We are not trusting in God. What God is doing to us in order to set us free, we need to cooperate with Him. Not come to our own judgments about things. Then He tells Moses, okay, I'm going to do this. And he does it. He gives them quails at night and bread from that manna. Okay, this is what happens to them. Then they are satisfied. Again, they are going to mumble and grumble on him, saying, same thing every day we got to eat. Okay, this is what happens to us internally, and that is how we speak externally.